Hello everyone, good evening or good morning, good afternoon, wherever you may be. Also wir in Deutschland, guten Morgen oder guten Tag. 안녕하세요, 반갑습니다. I am Hyunmo An and I'll be your MC for today's world premiere of the new MINI Countryman. First and foremost, it is my great pleasure to send greetings to all the MINI fans out there, and thank you so much for joining online today. We're streaming live from Yongin, South Korea, through our channel mini.com. And as you can see, I'm currently standing inside a very modern-looking dome nested in the middle of a beautiful forest just outside of Seoul, so that you can share this meaningful and special occasion at the comfort and safety of your living room. In just a short moment, you will get the chance to meet the new MINI Countryman for the very first time in the world. And after the unveiling and design presentation, we're going to have a quick Q&A session for those who want to learn more about the new MINI Countryman. I know you're all eager to see the vehicles, but before we bring them out, allow me to introduce the global head of MINI, Mr. Bernd Queber.
Welcome to the world premiere of the new MINI Countryman. I would like to give you more of my thoughts about the new MINI Countryman, a truly unique and iconic Mini. When I think about the MINI Countryman, the following comes to my mind: rough, robust, active, sporty, flexible, versatile, and engaging. To me, the Countryman is the most adventurer-ready Mini. I enjoy driving one because each adventure opens up a completely new and endless possibility and experience. To put it in my words, the MINI Countryman adds inspiration to my life. Its robust vehicle concept, an ample, versatile interior with the 5 fully fledged seats and the optional all-4 all-wheel drive system make it an unmistakable all-round talent that inspires typical MINI enthusiasm. Not just in day-to-day traffic, but also on long-distance trips and even when driving into unsurfaced terrain. Back in its first generation, the MINI Countryman was a pioneer as the first model with an exterior length of more than 4 meters, 4 doors, a large tailgate, 5 seats and all-wheel drive. It laid the foundations for the brand's highly successful advance into the premium compact segment. The MINI Countryman now accounts for almost 30% of the MINI car sales worldwide. It sets new impulses thanks to carefully selected updates without losing its distinctive looks and heritage, and improves on its own motto of being the go-kart among sports activity vehicles. Let me show you a few of the updates. A new front and rear end design, new LED headlamps, fog lights and rear lights, new piano black exterior and exterior colors, new wheels, new digital cockpit and a new central instrument, new interior colors and surfaces. The Countryman is truly exceptional because of the innovative technology and connectivity. It is made for people who want to be different and want to break routines. I'm sure that once you get behind the wheel of a new MINI Countryman, you will see paths open up in your mind, on the streets and beyond. The Countryman will add inspiration to your life. Take good care and stay inspired. Thank you and goodbye.
That was a warm welcome from Mr. Queber, the head of MINI. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, finally presenting the new MINI Countryman. Ladies and gentlemen, here is the new MINI Countryman that'll add new inspirations to your life.
A little check it out. When you check it out.
Hi, my name is Christine Zurian. I'm an exterior designer with MINI, and it's my pleasure to introduce to you today the new MINI Countryman. The model you see here is in our sage green with a contrast black roof, black mirror caps, and the black bonnet stripes. The new black trim line highlights and defines the MINI icons. The iconic headlamp contour encases a new high-tech advanced light design technology with an interior geometry that accents the verticality of the exterior. The vertical all-four elements at the corners of the car highlight the aero features while placing emphasis on the broad stance and ruggedness of the new Countryman. The hexagonal front grille is more precise and technical with a single blade and a geometrical mesh inspired by our GP show car. The functional lower grille has vertical air inlets and a new modern fog light ready to light the path to the next adventure. The Cooper S All-4 is perfect for rough terrain, a character trait that is reflected in many of the design details. The 19-inch two-tone wheels have been designed with precision machined surfaces that complement the solid stability of the vehicle, another bold element that brings a bit of modernity into this versatile all-rounder. The modern Union Jack graphic in the rear light translates our British heritage into cutting-edge technology. A special feature here is the dark shaded 3D glass replicating the light elements below, making this graphic clearly recognizable MINI. You'll notice the clean, reduced geometry in the rear with the vertical all-four pack elements on the outer edges of the car, highlighting the Countryman's broad stance, while the underbody protection emphasizes its rugged character. The MINI interior icon features a fully digital circular instrument cluster with flush-fitted touch surfaces.
Well, thanks, Christine, for kindly walking us through the new MINI Countryman. But I believe all of you MINI lovers out there would want to explore deeper into the new model. So from now on, we're going to start taking questions directly from our viewers. And to help answer those questions, our product manager, Mr. Chae-hoon Lee from MINI Korea, will join me on stage. Come on up, Chae-hoon. Welcome on stage.
Hi,
it's good
Elmo.
to see you.
Hello to all the MINI fans.
As we speak, we're currently getting lots of questions, literally from all across the globe. Are you ready to take the questions?
Yeah, I'm ready to answer all of the questions for you guys.
Okay, then, let's get it started. The first question that I'm going to pick is from a lady under the ID Style by Luna. And she said, the exterior looks stunning, but I'm curious what are some key changes on the inside?
New MINI Countryman has refined interior with its modern ambience. Let's go take a look.
Shall we move closer to the car?
If you walk into the driver's seat, first you'll see the new 5-inch digital display. If you turn your eyes to the right, you'll see 8.8-inch touchscreen updated in piano black with jointless buttons. For the seat upholstery and the color line, the new variants of the Chester Malt Brown and Indigo Blue have been newly added. Also, the updated interior trim of a MINI's shaded silver provides a more stylish and sporty look to it.
I love the styling of the cabin. You've already mentioned some new colors because MINI obviously is famous for its wide range of color palette. So at this moment, a lot of MINI enthusiasts are actually throwing questions regarding some newly added colors. For example, a cute couple over there using an ID, Jijong Pak, wrote, how many colors will be available and what is your personal favorite?
Oh, that's a great question. There are 10 exterior colors available, including newly added sage green with white silver color. It will also have 4 different colors of the roof and mirror caps to have variety of combinations. My personal favorite will be sage green with a black roof.
That makes a very nice two-tone combination.
I think it looks very sporty, but also looks modern at the same time. And it's strikingly well observed with the newly updated piano black exterior.
Well, now because we've talked about the looks, I think it's time to move on to talk about the practical side of the new Countryman. And this next question leads us perfectly to that topic. A gentleman with an ID, search information, is asking,
Search information.
what are some of the important advantages of the new Countryman in terms of practicality?
That's a good question too. Countryman is the largest Mini in our lineup. It suits with a high level of practicality as a versatile family car. It's got an ample space inside for 5 passengers and ride for even longer journey. It's 4.3 meters long with plenty of head and leg rooms in the cabin. In the second row, some of the key features like reclined folding seats and sliding capability is a big plus. Do you want to maybe take a sit in the
Can
back?
I?
Yeah.
I'd love to. Wow. How do I look?
How does it feel?
I'm about 5'7"-ish, but still there's plenty of leg room.
Leg
the
room.
space is
All
much,
right.
much bigger than
That's
I
great.
expected.
Spacious enough?
Yes, and it's very comfy.
All right, let's go take a look at the trunk.
Okay. Wow, it was my first time.
If you open the trunk, it's got full amount of space, 450 liters of the full space in the back. And if you fold down the second row seats, it gets up to 1390 liters of the genuine luggage space. Isn't it very great?
It's so spacious.
Very spacious.
I can't wait to go on a journey in one.
Maybe have a test drive tomorrow?
How about tonight?
All right, that's great.
I'll look forward to that. I'll
right.
catch up with you later.
All right.
Well, thank you so much for all the answers.
My
you did an
pleasure.
excellent job.
Thank you all the Mini fans.
Bye. See you later. I'm sure there's much more left to find out about the new Mini Countryman, but I'm afraid it's time for us to wrap up the Q&A here and conclude today's world premiere. I hope you have a chance to get up close and personal with the new Mini Countryman in your own respective countries soon. And once again, I'd like to thank you all for staying connected and for all those wonderful comments and words of support. I was Hyunmo An, live from Korea. Stay healthy and stay inspired.